Hey guys, so today I will be showing you a bit of behind the scenes on how I will be shooting all of my motovlogging videos moving forward. So let's get started. So you'll notice guys, I'm using the Hero 4 Silver. So yun yung version ng GoPro na mayroong touchscreen at the back. Yun yung version ng Hero 4 na may touchscreen sa likod. Kasi yung isa is Hero 4 Black. There's just a minor difference when it comes to the specification, pero wala siyang touchscreen capability sa likod. So, by the way, I just purchased this second hand sa market. So, it's pretty cheap because nowadays hindi ka na makakita ng brand new nito since matagal na nga siyang version. So, bakit ba ito ginagamit ko? The thing is, sa motovlogging, yung wind noise is a really huge issue. So, from my previous videos, mapapansin nyo na talagang either crappy yung audio quality or ang hina ng boses ko, hindi halos marinig. So, kahit na sinong motovlogger, most likely ganun yung problema using these action cams. Kasi, yun nga, most of the time we're doing high speed or basically we're moving, so talagang issue yung wind noise. So ang only workaround lang para ma-minimize yung wind noise is to use an external microphone like this one right here. So ang problema is yung mga newer versions ng GoPro like yung GoPro Hero 7 Black and GoPro Hero 8, in order for you to use one of these, you need to purchase a proprietary audio adapter accessory ng GoPro, which is really expensive. If I'm not mistaken, it's around 3,000 pesos dun sa authentic na audio adapter para lang makagamit ka ng external microphone. So you cannot just use this or plug it into your latest GoPro devices like the Hero 7 Black or 8. Hindi siya talaga gagana. So, yun ang maganda rito sa Hero 4. Ang advantage lang ng Hero 7 Black and Hero 8 of course is yung, well, marami, pero one of the main advantages is yung image stabilization and yung well, there's a lot of other features, yung saturation niya. So, yun. Sabi nila mas malinaw daw, pero yeah, of course, kasi maybe newer technology. Pero ang huge advantage niya talaga is yung image stabilization ng 7 Black and ng 8. Kasi talagang sino ba namang gustong manood ng shaky na video. Pero anyway, since budget friendly yung setup natin, ito ang ginawa natin. We're using again the Hero 4 Silver, and then on my previous vlogs I'm just using the standard waterproof housing, which is as a result mapapansin nyo sa previous videos ko, either muffled yung audio or ang hina ng audio, ng voice quality. Most of the time na overpower ng background noise. So hindi talaga siya magandang pakinggan. Halos wala kang maintindihan. So what I did, I purchased one of these external microphone from Lazada. It only cost me around 350 pesos including the delivery fee. So okay siya. Actually, ang issue ko lang rito is napakatagal niyang ma-deliver. It took like maybe more than 2 weeks. Pero pagdating naman niya, chinek ko yung quality, okay naman siya. Tsaka gumagana naman, which is good. So on top of that, what I did is I purchased one of these cases here. This this case is called a skeleton case for your well, for this version of GoPro. Basically, if you look at the side of this GoPro, meron na siyang pre-cut hole na where you can plug in this mini USB microphone directly, just like so. So habang nakamount to sa chin ng helmet ko, like this. By the way, I'm using a Telesin chin mount strap with the J buckle. So yun nga, habang nakamount to, you can just plug in the microphone here, the mini USB connector, and then try to route the cable inside, somewhere inside your helmet, to suppress the wind noise. And by the way, you'll notice here na yung back door pinalitan ko na kasi yung kasama na itong case na to, it's actually pure black, pero completely open yung kasama nitong case na to. So what I did is I swapped the door with the one that I already have, which is a semi, not sure what you call this, pero basically meron siyang plastic cover dito, and I think it will still help to somewhat make it water resistant, at least. Of course sa side na to hindi na kasi completely open na siya, as you can see. Pero sa side na to, I tried it, yung water droplets hindi naman siya makakapasok agad rito. It cannot penetrate or easily penetrate inside these or on the sides of this frame kasi sealed talaga siya, which is good. At the same time, you can still get access to the touchscreen of your GoPro, so that's nice. So bilang guys, move on na tayo sa installation. I'm gonna go ahead and install this microphone here with this Hero 4 setup that I have. So yeah, let's give it a go. So guys, here is the finished product, or the finished setup of that motovlogging setup that I will gonna be using, as you can see. So here's the case, the GoPro, there's the mic already plugged in, and then I've just rerouted the cable all the way inside. And then if you take a look here, I just placed it inside here. So I've just routed the cable here, and you'll see that there's all the cables, but it can easily be hidden by just underneath these cheek pads, so which is nice. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and test this out outside. Let's see how it goes. So this is me talking with the standard waterproof housing or waterproof case for that GoPro. So as you noticed, the voice is kind of muffled, and this is me talking using the external microphone. So what do you guys think? Is it any better, or is it any worse? Well, I hope it's way better, because otherwise it defeats the purpose of this video. But yeah, what do you think, guys? Okay, so this is what it sounds like using that mini USB external microphone. So I hope this sounds better compared to what I used to have before, because before I was only using the built-in microphone of the Hero 4 Silver. So, but right now I'm using a mini USB external microphone that I ordered online. So yeah, my voice is a bit shaky because it's a bit bumpy, but yeah, hopefully it's much better compared to what I previously have.